Well, this week, we take this week out every year, and we mount our snow vehicles, and we run the routes several times. We do some training, especially with some of our new drivers that maybe have never trained or even driven the snow routes before. So we drive all of our snow routes, we do some one-on-one training, some group training with our groups. So just to make sure our equipment's ready to go. Sometimes we get out here and maybe there's equipment failures of some kind. We want to catch those up front before we get in the middle of a snow and ice event. We have two salt storage areas. We have one here at Central Maintenance Facility. It holds 9,000 tons of salt. And we have another salt barn up on Britton and Broadway Extension, and it holds 4,000 tons. So we usually have on stock 13,000 tons of salt. Well, we usually order a couple of trucks a year to add and replace in our equipment. A truck usually runs up to $175,000 fully loaded. As far as our salt, it's about $80 a ton, and we get it out of Kansas. And so we keep that stocked constantly. We budget about $120,000 a year for salt. If that was to run out, if we had a big winter, we could go to the city manager's contingency fund at that point in time. We usually keep about 32 trucks on hand, so we will load those up in a big snow event. We have a lot of small events that we just load half of our trucks up. So we're out there on the street. Our guys go on 12-hour shifts on and off. And we have about 1,165 lane miles that we have on our snow routes. If you wanted a copy of our snow route, it's on okc.gov and under Public Works.